guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little show and share, as my kids call it in their school. When I was a kid it used to be called show and tell. So I'm going to show you guys my kids' costumes that I made this year. This year my son wanted to be Mario, and then my daughter wanted to be Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. So for Jack's costume, obviously I'll put a picture of Mario in case you don't know what he looks like. I didn't want to make the shirt because it's just a red shirt, so I went and got a red shirt. So I got a red shirt, and this doesn't matter because all I needed is the sleeves. So I got that for $4, which was a good price. And then I wanted to make the overalls. So I wasn't really sure what kind of fabric to use, but I decided to use fleece, and it actually worked out perfectly. I was gonna just wing it, but my mom had a pattern, so this is the pattern that I used. It's by Butterick, and so this is what it looks like. It's got little ties up there, but that's just like a decoration that you add on afterwards. So I used this, and this was a size 4, but it was so big, like ridiculously big. And she said she actually made this when I was a kid, so I don't know. But I made it, and this is what it looks like. So cute. So here is the overalls, made out of a beautiful blue fleece, and then I've got these wooden buttons, and I painted them a really bright yellow. And then because it's fleece, I just took a stitch ripper and then just cut holes in it, so I didn't need to finish off the edges or anything. And then that is it. The thing about this costume is that, you know, usually you make costumes and you're just like, I'm not gonna make it amazing because, I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's actually like done, it's lined and stuff too, but you don't expect it to be worn more than a couple times. And he's worn it like a lot of times. And I'm talking about, like, he wakes up in the morning and he puts it on and he wears it all day. And then we go places and he's like, can I dress up as Mario? So he's been to a few family gatherings as Mario, but so cute. And then I just put like a little piece of elastic and cinched it in the back just to make it a little bit more tighter, just because it was so big. And the only way that I adjusted it was I just took off a bunch from here. So I made it, and then I realized it was so big, and then I actually took off like 1.5 inches. So I just re-sewed again 1.5 inches in, and then it came out to be a perfect, I mean, it could have been me not just doing the right seam allowance, because usually when it's garments it's 5/8 seam allowance, but I still think it was ridiculously big. So so that is that. And then of course the hat. So I went to the store and I went and got him a Mario mask, like a plastic one. That's a joke, he can't see it through it. So I decided to make his hat, and here is the hat that I made. And this is actually Whitney Sew's pattern, so if you know her on YouTube, I'll link this tutorial. It's her newsboy hat. So I just took the pattern piece, made it a little bit smaller just because he's not an adult, and then, you know, measured the band around, like measured his head and then did the band here. So it was puckered a little bit in the back, but I mean, who cares? It's a Halloween costume. And then I just took a piece of white fabric and zigzagged around it, and then I zigzagged around an M that I cut out, and from far away it looks amazing. So I just don't look up close too much. Oh, the M's actually coming off. This thing has been worn more times than the actual full costume. So he loves Mario. Sorry, my dog is barking in the back. Okay, so for my daughter, I'll put a picture of Mavis. She has red and black striped tights, and of course I can't find them in a child size. They had them for adults at Party City, but I wasn't able to get them because obviously they're adults. So I got orange and black. These are the ones in the child size. So they are like pantyhose, literally. But she likes orange and black, so that is the tights. And then for the dress, I had some black jersey knit, And I basically just made like a shirt with a wider collar. Come back to me. There we go. So I just made a little bit of a turtleneck top, and then I took some mesh fabric. It's kind of like that like basketball jersey fabric, and use that for the rest because it's supposed to be like nylon, so maybe like I don't know, some like tulle or something, I don't know, something that you can see through. So this is, you know, just so that it looks like there's two different fabrics on it. And then I just sewed that inside. This is not good at all. Like, it's not, it's not a good dress. I would not recommend her wearing it again, but for the purposes of a costume, yeah, you don't want to look at it. Don't look at it too closely. And then again, at the back, I just put in a little piece of elastic. And then the costume is pretty plain. So there was some pictures of her with ears. So I made these ears for her, and I just I drew it on a piece of paper, cut it out, and then I just sewed them inside out and then turned them right side out, and then just glued them onto a Monster High headband. I also put a little piece of wood, you know, popsicle stick on the back, and that will just keep it from, you know, falling down. I'm gonna paint, or I'll, you know, use a Sharpie so that you don't notice it. But yeah, it's a little bit goopy with the glue, but it'll be in her hair. So how cute! Do I look like a bat? So she loves it. It's good enough, and now she can be Mavis. Because, I mean, I went to the Party City store, and like the Mavis costume is $30, the Mario costume was $30, and I'm like, no. So for Bianca's, I had to buy the tights, which were, I think, $6. And then for Jack, I had to buy the shirt, which was $4, and the pants, I had to buy the fleece, and that was like $9. So for 2 whole costumes, I think we came up pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed videos like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on all my social media sites so you can see pictures of these little guys wearing them on Halloween. And I hope you guys have an amazing Halloween too. And I would love to see any of the costumes that you make for your little ones. So definitely share. I love to see what everyone else is making. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.